Day 5 of our 30 days content creation. Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to get your TIN online for free without going to anywhere physically. So if you are a forex trader looking to verify their derivative account as a forex trader, you need TIN. So watch the video to know how to get your TIN. Or you are a content creator and you need TIN for any platform, this video will show you how to get your TIN for free. So guys, let's go. So first of all, you need to go to the website tin.jtb, which is jointtaxboard.gov.ng. So when you click on that, you click on register for TIN individual. So when you click on that, you will input your BVN. Yes, you need to input your BVN. So put your BVN, put your date of birth, and you must make sure that your BVN details is corresponding, is corresponding to the to what you'll be living here, to your distance that you're living here. So put your first name. When you put your first name and put your last name, and click on I'm not a robot and click on search. So click on next to go to the main. So here now you will need to put your pictures, put your BVN, put your NIN, and fill all of this form, and with your valid email, because that's where they will send your details to, your certificate and the number, and that's where they will send it to. So put your valid email and click on submit. Let's click on submit and see how it goes. So we have successfully submitted the TIN request and press OK. So guys, that is how to get your TIN. It is so simple, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. See you tomorrow this